When considering FaithBuild for your church management needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. FaithBuild is a popular option for church leaders looking for streamlined management, but there are other solutions out there, so let's break down what makes this one stand out and where it might fall short. First off, FaithBuild offers a robust set of features designed to help with everything from tracking members to managing events and donations. It's a comprehensive tool, which means you won't need multiple programs to handle different aspects of your church's operations. But when compared to competitors like Planning Center or Breeze, it's important to note that FaithBuild has a slightly steeper learning curve due to the sheer volume of features it packs in. Next thing, FaithBuild offers solid donation tracking and reporting tools. Whether you're looking for insights on giving trends or simply managing donor records, it's all integrated. However, some competitors provide even more detailed donation analytics, making it easier to generate customized reports on the fly. The third thing is FaithBuild's event management system, which is pretty strong but might feel a little clunky when compared to more user-friendly platforms. You can schedule events, coordinate volunteers, and track RSVPs, but platforms like ChurchTrack and Planning Center offer a more intuitive experience, making it easier for newcomers to get up and running quickly. Fourth thing to note is the member directory. FaithBuild's directory is designed to be highly customizable, which is great for larger churches with specific needs. But if you're looking for something that just works out of the box, other options like Breeze might be more straightforward. Now let's talk about mobile access. FaithBuild does have a mobile app, which is essential in today's world of remote work and volunteer engagement. However, the app isn't as refined as other apps on the market, like those from Planning Center, which are known for their smoother user experience. Next up, support. FaithBuild offers decent customer service with email and phone support available, but when you compare it to platforms like Church Community Builder, which offers a comprehensive knowledge base and faster response times, FaithBuild could use some improvements here. The sixth thing to consider is the cost. FaithBuild has competitive pricing, but it's on the higher end compared to some of its rivals. For smaller churches, this could be a deal breaker, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution. Other tools like Tithe.li offer lower price plans, though they may come with fewer features. The seventh thing is the user interface. FaithBuild is functional, but it's not as sleek as other church management platforms. If your team values a more visually appealing dashboard, you might find platforms like Planning Center to be a better fit. Eighth, FaithBuild's reporting features are powerful, but not as customizable as what you'll find in ChurchTrack. If detailed reporting is a top priority for your church, you may want to explore other options for more tailored insights. The ninth thing is integration. FaithBuild integrates with several popular platforms, but its integrations aren't as extensive as others like Breeze, which connects seamlessly with various accounting and communication tools. The 10th thing to consider is security. FaithBuild does a solid job at keeping your data secure, but if you're particularly concerned about compliance or advanced security features, it's worth comparing it to platforms like Church Community Builder, which offer additional layers of protection. Next, FaithBuild has a great community of users. Whether you're asking questions or looking for advice, there's a good network of support. But if you're looking for an active, larger community, tools like Planning Center or ChurchTrack have a more robust user base and resources. The 12th and final thing to note is that FaithBuild is a solid option for many churches, offering everything you need to manage your congregation. It's a reliable tool, but there are other alternatives that might serve your specific needs better. If you're looking for something more intuitive, cost-effective, or with better support, our recommended solution might be a better fit. Ultimately, FaithBuild is a good option, but if you want a better, more tailored solution that you can try for free, check out our recommendation linked below.